Start. Recent judicial decisions have transformed our understanding of privacy, autonomy, and equality. Stop. In Puttaswamy judgment, the court reaffirmed privacy as a fundamental right grounded in the ideas of autonomy and dignity. Stop. An important consequence of this understanding of privacy is its impact on questions of individual privacy within the confines of a marriage. Stop. For example, in a recent case on the subject of marital rape, the Karnataka High Court allowed rape charges against the husband and emphasized the importance of reinforcing the right to equality and the right to individual autonomy and dignity of a woman within a marriage. Stop. One such provision within family law that raises concerns about individual autonomy and privacy within marriage is the restitution of conjugal rights (RCR). Stop. It is a legal remedy available to spouse where one spouse deserts the other without a reasonable excuse or on certain unlawful grounds. Stop para. State regulation of domestic relations has seen laws governing marriage, divorce, adultery, and sexual relations between consenting adults, for example, the criminalization of homosexuality. Stop. Marriage is a social contract recognized by the state and to a certain extent, is also subject to regulation by the state. Stop. Although regulations around marriage may be for a variety of reasons, it may be argued that they serve two key interests, protection of individual rights, and the state objective to protect the institution of marriage, often articulated as maintaining cultural ethos and societal values. Stop para. The provision is proffered by the legislature as an effort to protect the institution of marriage. Stop. But it proceeds on a notion of marriage which is one-sided and which denies agency to the woman in a marital tie. Stop. The ability to make choices within marriage and on every aspect concerning it is a facet of human liberty and dignity which the Constitution protects. Stop. Bearing in mind this view of the court, RCR would not stand up to judicial scrutiny as a constitutionally valid right, since it disregards the autonomy and dignity of an individual under the notion of the state aim to protect the institution of marriage. Stop. In 2017, Puttaswamy 1 laid down a 4-part test for determining the validity of an infringement of the right to privacy. Stop. The test's first limb necessitates the existence of a codified law, which is met with in the case of RCR through various statutory provisions. Stop. The test also requires the existence of procedural safeguards against abuse of state interference. Stop. Over.